Dear students, it is the fifth video about week 13 and we are still on abstract writing. In the video 4th, we covered that what are the informative abstracts and descriptive abstracts and what do they include. Here is a sample that you must read. Report on light water nuclear reactors. Report on light water nuclear reactors. Clear? It is given title page and it is given here. The descriptive abstract indicate the purpose of the report and the main contents. Let's read it. This report examines light water reactors as a possible energy alternative for the municipalities. Both types of light water reactors and their processes for producing electricity are described. The report includes with a review of these reactors, economics and safety system. Fine. You find it that the writer has summed up the entire report in few condensed statements, and it tells about the purpose and the main contents, main idea, main point discussed in this report. Let's read again. This report examines light water reactors as a possible energy alternative for municipalities. Both types of light water reactors and their processes for producing electricity are described. The report concludes with a review of these reactors, economics and safety systems. Very short and brief. Now we move on to informative abstract. And here may be abstract computerized speech recognition. For your, I should less it here. I think I should enlarge this so you may have a better vision. Let's read this. Computerized speech recognition takes advantages of the most natural forms of communication, the human voice. During speech, sound is generated by the vocal cords and by air rushing from the lungs. If the vocal cords vibrate, a voiced sound is produced. Otherwise, the sound is unvoiced. The main problem in the speech recognition is that no two voices produce their sounds alike, and that an individual voice varies in different conditions because the voices do vary and because words blend together in a continuous stream in natural speech. Most recognition systems require that each speaker train the machine to his or her voice and that the words have at least 1/10 of the second pause between them. Such a system is called an isolated word recognition system and consists of three major components that process human speech. The preprocessor, which removes irregularities from the speech signals and then breaks it up into parts. Second, the feature extractor, which extracts the 32 key features from the signal. And third, the classification phase, which identifies the spoken word and includes the training mode. Fine. So on you find out that this is a informative abstract and it expresses us the remaining all that what's a problem, what's a methodology, clear, how it does in that, clear. So informative abstract is applied in where you are giving detailed discussions Fine. But in computer sciences, both are necessary. Here is another thing is called executive summary. Executive summary is used where it's a kind of similar to abstract, but abstract is applied in science and technology and engineering, whereas in the business reports about economics and industry, that is called executive summary. Let's read. The executive summary is a hybrid of descriptive and informative summaries written for executives whose focus is business decision and whose background is not necessarily technical. You remember this, that they are the hybrid form, they are written for executives, and the purpose is the making business decisions, and especially for executives who are not technical. Clear? So that is called executive summary, and here is the some of the form of executive summary. Executive summary: rural health clinics requirements. I mean, this is a report and it's a summary. The most important needs of the rural health clinics which requires energy resources are as follows: refrigeration, absorption refrigeration fueled by repowering of kerosene and common at the unelectrified health clinics is vulnerable to interruption and thus inadequate for the vaccine needed in immunization programs for the dangerous diseases including polio, diphtheria, tetanus, and many others. Fine. So this is just like the say like a summary for executives, but it is used in speech and scientific writing. Revision checklines for abstracts: when you have written an abstract, you must include the following points. Make sure that the descriptive abstract doesn't include informative abstract phrasing. Make sure that informative abstracts doesn't include descriptive abstract phrasing. Clear? So this is all with this abstract writing, and here may be some views for writing an abstract, that why should we write an abstract. Number one, reason for writing. When you are writing abstract, you must write introductory sentence, reasons for writing. What's the importance of the research? Why are you writing? Problem. What problem does the work attempt to solve? Problem statement, one sentence or a brief description of problem statement. Methodology, that an abstract, clear, that what sort of methodology you are going to apply, and the results, that what finally you have got the data and experimented and results. Implications are mean if there are further limitations, further problems, you must express it in your abstract. Clear? All the abstracts include full citation resources. Clear? And problem statement, this and that. In short, you have covered three samples of abstracts plus the executive summary. Hope you have understood. Clear? For this reason, to find difference, you should find more reports about the science and see their subject matter and outline. Thank you very much.